What's up, my real estate enthusiasts? It's Rex. Today I'm at the Fixer Upper on our second day of open house. We're not ready to go yet. It's actually still a little bit early, and I'm having my breakfast burrito. I'm getting ready for the day's event. So I'll check in with you again. But yesterday we had, sorry, my mouth's full. We had about 200 and something people that showed up. I had 15 offers. 4 of them were well above what the sellers were hoping for. I have cash offers. I have financed offers from some really good financed offers, really good cash offers. So I'm expecting this house to go quite easily. We'll end up selling it this weekend, the first weekend we're open. So it's good. We'll see how this one goes. So I'll see you at the house. I'm gonna keep eating my burrito. And then I'll check back.